Hello everyone, I'm Layman from Milgard Windows and Doors, and today we're in our Temecula showroom to demonstrate how to replace a screen track in one of our sliding patio doors. First step, using a small Phillips-head screwdriver, you want to lower the wheels on your screen. You want to use a small putty knife or flathead screwdriver to lift the wheels from the track and remove your screen. Using your putty knife or screwdriver, slowly pry your screen track from the frame. Be sure to clean out any dirt or debris from the frame. Put your new screen track into place and lightly tap it down. You want to make sure you lightly tap the screen track to prevent damage to the vinyl screen track or frame. Reinstall your screen onto the new track. You may need a screwdriver or putty knife to get the wheels over the lip and onto the track. And finally, raise the wheels on the screen and adjust them as necessary. Once you have your wheels adjusted properly, you should get a nice even slide. And the demonstration of replacing our screen track is complete.